We are here in Confital, Playa Confital. Just lay comfortably and take a deep breath in and out. Take another deep breath in and out. You can hear my voice. You can hear the sound of the waves. And you don't have to do anything. I'm here sitting behind you, and people are here to relax on this Sunday in Las Palmas like you, just enjoying this moment. And this hypnosis is designed for you and your unconscious mind to achieve your goals, and you don't have to do anything. You can just lay here and concentrate on the small muscles around your eyes and relax them softly until the point that your eyes will stay closed, even if you try to open them, because then your eyes are completely relaxed, while the sound of the waves can help you to imagine step by step going into this trance state, like floating, calmer. And then, when your eyes will stay closed, even if you try to open them, you test this relaxation, and you will notice that your eyes are comfortably closed because your muscles are relaxed. Really good, like this. And then imagine this wave of relaxation is floating down your body, over your face, like this. Perfect. Imagine like this wave of relaxation is floating down through your whole body, over your face, your neck, floating down your chest, on your way, on your pace, while you can feel gently the wind helping you to breathe calmly, while this wave of relaxation, imagine, is floating down in your belly, and your belly relaxes. Imagine it's flowing down into your pelvis. Your pelvis relaxes on your way, on your pace, floating down into your legs and all the way down to the tips of your toes, as you feel your breath moving gently through you. Like this. Perfect, because you don't have to do anything. You can just listen to my voice like you're listening to good music, or to the sound of this dog who is enjoying his time while we are here. And all the time when I will say open your eyes, you will open your eyes again. And when I say close your eyes, you will close your eyes again, and double the relaxation. Open your eyes and close your eyes again, double the relaxation. Like this. Perfect. While you are laying here, maybe you can imagine how the heaviness of the earth, the gravity, is attracting you, and you are lying here secure, and our muscles relax and getting heavier when we relax. Maybe you can feel it already, maybe in one part of your body, this pleasant heaviness. Maybe your right leg is heavier than your left one, or your left leg is heavier than your right one. Or maybe your right arm is heavier than your left arm. Or maybe your left arm is heavier than your right arm. Or maybe while you are breathing and your eyes are closed, while you are listening to my voice, you feel another part of your body already more relaxed because you don't have to do anything consciously. And all the time when I will say, close your eyes, you close your eyes again, and double relaxation. And when I say open your eyes, you open your eyes again, and you double the relaxation. Open your eyes and close your eyes, double the relaxation. Like this, perfect. You can feel how you're breathing, and you can use the sound of the waves or the gently touch of the wind on your skin to help you to feel completely calm, peaceful. Maybe with every breath more relaxed, calm. And we say all the good things come in threes. Open your eyes again and close your eyes again. Double relaxation. Calm down, calming down, because you can allow yourself just to use this time for yourself to create this unconscious path to yourself next week. And you heard it before. We have this unconscious mind and the conscious mind. And your conscious mind can wander around, maybe think of one thing or already dreaming while you are lying here. Maybe your conscious mind is wandering away and dreaming already about this joyful and light life next week, where you are proud of yourself, so happy and just floating because you are calming down while your unconscious mind is completely on your side. Maybe you heard about it already. Maybe I said it already. Our unconscious mind is to 90% responsible for our thoughts, actions, emotions. Even scientists found out that our unconscious mind is such a powerful force. It helps us, just like this, feeling this pleasant wind on our skin without thinking, just feeling and hearing the pleasant sound of the waves. You can feel the ground under your body. And imagine your unconscious mind is completely at your side and helps you, maybe like a good friend, or how you imagine it, this strong force inside you to let happen all the things for your satisfaction, for your well-being. Like I said, because people go into hypnosis, said Milton Erickson, this famous hypnotherapist from America, to people who went to him into hypnosis, that your unconscious mind lets all the things happen for your well-being and for your satisfaction. Like I say it, like it will happen. He said, while people went to him into hypnosis, that all the things happen to your well-being and your satisfaction. Like I say it, they will happen because your conscious mind can focus only on one thing, while your unconscious mind works on many levels all at once. while you are breathing, and all the things around you are not important anymore, because we will do this inner journey while you relax, and the sound of my voice can fade away while your unconscious mind takes over for your happiness, calmness. Maybe this way of floating through life like water, unstoppable, floating, enjoying, going like the waves while the waves are here in front of us, because we are living on this island. And with every number you relax deeper. 1. Let go of heaviness. As your muscles relax, let go heaviness. 2. Maybe you already feel it somewhere in your body. Lighter, calmer. 3. Like this, perfect. Let this gentle lightness spread. Just enjoy it while the wind is blowing. You can use this fresh air for this new sense of aliveness, floating, maybe like dancing through the life, enjoying. 6. Drifting, floating. Allow yourself to sink into this gentle trance state of the hypnosis, or let the trance simply move through your body effortlessly, like this, perfect. 7. Feeling at peace, peacefully, like this, perfect. 8. Calm down, calming down. 9. Deeper, relaxed, deeper, still, amazing, like this. 10. And the dog can look at us, and he will go away because his parents are over there, and he is interested what your unconscious mind will do on this day for you. He is going. The waves are gently here around us, and your eyes are closed. And maybe you are already interested how surprised you will be when you realize that your subconscious mind 10 is completely on your side, enjoying this feeling of weightlessness, lightness. Imagine your unconscious mind is completely by your side. It helps you to connect you into your body of next week. Imagine next week on Sunday you achieved your goals. Imagine you dive into your body, connecting with your body there in the future, and you feel happy and proud, calm, or maybe lighter, maybe joyful, or maybe you feel deeply your value, how worthy you are, because you're living in freedom, maybe more peaceful, deeply relaxed. Imagine you dive deep into your body, because your unconscious mind is taking care of it. Imagine how you feel satisfied with yourself, calm, relaxed, Imagine what you can see around you next Sunday when you achieved your goals in your body. Maybe you can imagine how you are talking to somebody and you're telling this person what you achieved. And you can feel relaxed. Imagine maybe how joyful you tell this person what you achieved. Because your subconscious mind and your unconscious mind is completely at your side. Maybe you can hear your voice proud, or maybe you can hear the voice of the other person. Maybe you can imagine how you influence them with your new energy, because you are light and joyful, worthy, maybe inspiring this person to live peaceful and relaxed, free. Imagine maybe what you feel on your skin while your subconscious mind is completely at your side and you talk about your week, what you achieved. Maybe you can sense something. Maybe you can taste the taste of something. And your subconscious mind is completely by your side. Imagine what you are talking about. If you are there, you achieved your goals, supported by your subconscious mind. Maybe you can imagine how the posture of your body is when you are so satisfied with yourself and proud, and you feel maybe more value or more self-esteem. While here your eyes are closed, you can see all the things there around you. Maybe you can imagine what clothes you are wearing, how you spread energy when you are so happy or so relaxed. Because your unconscious mind, imagine, is completely by your side and helped you during this week. This strong force inside yourself. Maybe like a friend, or how you imagine it. You're completely connected with this strong force, and it helps you to imagine step by step again how you started your week on Monday. Maybe you got up early in the morning, lighter, proud, or full of energy. Maybe you were joyful already, looking for all the information that you need to achieve your goal. Maybe you can imagine how your subconscious mind helped you on Monday, floating, dancing through your life, lighter, feeling connected with your self-worth. Because maybe it's totally indifferent what other people are thinking. Or maybe you're just so focused on yourself that you forget about all the things around you or the opinions of other people, because you are in your energy. Imagine how your unconscious mind helps you already on Monday. Even maybe if a bit of stress or negative energy is around you, you remain calm, focused, joyful, maybe like water. While here the water is floating, you floating through your life, just enjoying. Maybe even more your task because you feel your subconscious mind is completely by your side. And maybe, just maybe, you'll notice how you can smile gently at yourself. No matter who you're with or if you're alone, you can enjoy Monday. Imagine how you go to sleep then on Monday. Maybe proud, maybe lighter, maybe already more money in your pocket or even close to reach it because your subconscious mind is fully on your side. And then you dream and you fall asleep and dream about maybe already how you achieve these goals during the week while your subconscious mind is completely by your side. Imagine then on Sunday you tell about your Tuesday to one person or maybe to yourself, how you were floating through life, maybe just like dancing, joyful, getting all the things done because it can be lighter because you are relaxed. Maybe it's completely indifferent what other people think. Maybe you feel you're not afraid anymore because you float like water, unstoppable through your life because it's clear what you want. Grounded, sure. Maybe you wake up early in the morning with such a good energy because you slept so well. Maybe even happier to begin this Tuesday because your subconscious mind is completely by your side. Imagine while you're here living on this island, Gran Canaria, an island where people come to relax, to enjoy their holiday. Maybe even more proud of yourself because you're living here for a reason on an island where people are coming to relax, and maybe you can imagine how your subconscious mind helps you to relax while the sun is shining. Maybe you can feel more relaxed how you're breathing or how you're speaking when all the other things around you are not so important because you are in your body on Sunday there and your subconscious mind is completely on your side and helps you to get your things done. Also on Tuesday, imagine how satisfied this could be then on Sunday, thinking about it again. Maybe you said no to somebody or to something that would have taken away your freedom. Or maybe you feel already more connected with this energy of more money. Or maybe you just feel lighter, floating through your week because your unconscious mind and your subconscious mind are completely by your side. Maybe you can feel it and sense it while the wind is gently touching your skin. My voice always more in the background. And how would you realize then on Wednesday evening that you fall asleep even deeper while you were dreaming on Sunday about Sunday? You can flow through your week because your conscious mind can dream about it. How you talk about it on Sunday, how you achieved your goals. Easier, maybe joyful, enjoying because you're floating through your week, more secure, maybe happier or proud of yourself, maybe raising your prices and feeling how worthy you are, because it means for some people more freedom to be able to say no to things where we feel no. And you heard about it, what it means to feel, to be aligned with your feelings. When you feel no, imagine you are able to say no because you are an honest person. Or maybe it just means freedom for somebody, while other people don't care what you think, and maybe this means you can also not care about what other people think while you are dancing, floating through your life, because your unconscious mind is completely at your side, while this meditation can lead to the fact that your subconscious mind maybe is more curious about more meditations. And imagine on next Sunday where you are when you talk with somebody, or maybe just to yourself, how you achieved your goals, just dreaming, maybe like an inner dream. Imagine maybe how you talk about Thursday. Maybe you think about the other girls. Maybe you're wondering if they went to the gym, if they meditated, or just earned more money, or were occupied with some administrative stuff, or maybe just floating through the week, maybe like dancing or like floating into the water, unstoppable to do all the things because maybe you imagine they lead to this happy and proud, healthy life on this island or wherever you want, because your unconscious mind is completely by your side. And what does this mean then for the night from Thursday to Friday when you sleep and relax? The weekend coming closer. Maybe you feel already more calm. Maybe you feel already more connected with your money energy because you're secure and you know you're worth it to earn more money. Maybe you can imagine how the universe is on your side and sends you this energy. You can connect with your worthiness and receiving all the things from the universe and from your unconscious mind that make you feel calm and light and proud of yourself, satisfied with yourself and your life. And maybe then you fall asleep so deep on Thursday evening and dreaming about next Sunday. How all the things around you are not important anymore because you're in your body, calm and secure, maybe super relaxed and just at peace because you reached your goals. Maybe you are having a party or something joyful then this moment when you talk about it next Sunday, while the air is fresh. The sound of the waves can help you to float through your life or just to relax, because maybe one day you came only to this island to relax like other people coming here on holiday, and now today we are here taking this moment for ourselves, maybe to do the next important step, maybe to level up, maybe to earn more money, maybe just to feel more at peace with ourselves. And we found things in common. and you found words, feelings, maybe visions, while your subconscious mind is working on them. Imagine you connect deeply with this version of yourself next Sunday. You are there, and all the things around you are clear. You achieved your goals. Maybe you can hear some sounds then there when you imagine where you are. Connecting with these feelings that you are feeling when you achieved your goals. Lighter, peaceful, or happy. Because 1 week can change emotions maybe easier than expected. Because the words are clear and your unconscious mind, imagine it's completely on your side, helps you, this strong force. Like you imagine your unconscious mind, maybe like a friend, or like you imagine it, helps you. And each time you will notice a positive shift, it will reinforce everything that made it happen, creating this beautiful loop of learning and growth. And Milton Erickson told already these people who came to him for hypnosis that the unconscious knows exactly what is needed for this healthy, happy and meaningful life. And now, maybe you allow yourself more to enjoy life at your own pace, in your own way. Your conscious mind can decide to remember to forget or to forget to remember. People can learn with the power of the unconscious to live peacefully at many levels at once. Milton Erickson told these people who came to him to hypnosis that your conscious mind can choose what to keep or what letting go, because your unconscious mind has already heard me clearly, planting helpful suggestions in just the right places. They'll grow over the next moments, days, weeks, and even years. Each time you will notice a positive shift, it will reinforce everything that made it happen, creating a beautiful loop of learning and growth. And now, as you can hear clearer the sound of the waves that can remind you of all the positive suggestions, and you can feel clearly how you are lying here in your body, you can start taking connection with your body here this Sunday, 1st of June 2025 in Las Palmas, Playa Confital, and you feel your eyes are still closed. And when I will count from 5 to 1, you will come back here and you will feel 5. Your blood pressure returns to a calm and healthy level. 4. Your heart is beating steadily and in a peaceful rhythm. With every number, you awake more and you come more back. 3. You begin to feel maybe new sparks of energy, awakening and feeling so good. 2. More and more proud of yourself and your abilities. 1. You can now open your eyes with a smile because it feels so good to return.